Assistant creation videos de YouTube IA Daijo. Picture this. You walk into your kitchen in the morning, reach for a fruit you've always believed to be heart-healthy, harmless, even essential. Yet if you're a man over 60, that very fruit may be silently draining your testosterone, clogging your arteries, and stealing away your erections without you even realizing it. Sounds shocking? It is exactly what I see time and time again in my clinical practice when men believe they're eating right. I'm a sexologist specializing in men's health in midlife and beyond. And for more than 10 years, I've helped men regain their energy, confidence, and intimate vitality. And one truth I've confirmed again and again is this. When men over 60 stop guessing and start eating with purpose, their bodies respond quickly and powerfully. Here's something almost no one tells you. Not all fruit is good for aging men. Some fruits actually raise estrogen, spike insulin, and destroy nitric oxide, the very molecule responsible for strong, lasting erections. Others, often overlooked, can do the opposite: repair blood flow, boost testosterone, and restore energy and intimacy naturally. In this video, I'll share with you the 4 fruits you should never touch after 60, and the 4 you should eat every single day. Stay with me until the end, because the last fruit on my good list has helped some of my patients reverse years of erectile decline in just a matter of weeks. Before we dive in, let me ask you this. If you're a man over 60 committed to restoring your energy, circulation, and confidence, make sure you hit subscribe to this channel, Sexuality Sabia, and turn on the notification bell. Here I share practical, science-based strategies designed specifically for you. And tell me in the comments, type 1 if your biggest concern is low daytime energy, or 2 if it's loss of firmness during intimate moments. Your answers help me bring you content that truly matters. Let's start with the first fruit you should avoid. And it may surprise you, because many men eat it daily, often right alongside their morning medications, without thinking twice. I'm talking about canned fruit in syrup. Packaged, colorful, soft, sweet. It looks harmless. But in reality, it's a carefully disguised sugar trap, silently damaging your blood vessels, hormones, and performance in the bedroom. The problem isn't the fruit itself, it's what it's soaking in. High fructose corn syrup or concentrated fruit juices packed with simple sugars. When those sugars hit your bloodstream, especially on an empty stomach, your insulin spikes, your arteries inflame, and your nitric oxide plummets. And without nitric oxide, you simply cannot maintain strong erections. To make matters worse, high fructose corn syrup is linked to fatty liver, higher estrogen production, and lower testosterone levels. Even the light syrup, or no sugar added versions, are misleading. They're still fruit stripped of fiber, soaked in chemicals, and sitting in a can for months. The second fruit to watch out for: dried fruit, especially raisins and dates. Many men see them as a healthy snack, a swap for candy or cookies. But dried fruit is one of the most deceptive foods you can eat at this stage of life. Just 1 cup of raisins contains more sugar than a can of soda. And unlike fresh fruit, these sugars are highly concentrated and stripped of fiber, meaning your blood sugar spikes fast, your insulin soars, and your testosterone crashes in response. Even worse, many commercial dried fruits are coated with vegetable oils to prevent sticking and preserved with sulfites to keep their color. These additives can interfere with zinc absorption, and zinc is crucial for testosterone production, sperm quality, and erectile strength. So instead of helping your health, dried fruit could actually be undermining your masculinity. Let me pause and ask you something. Where are you watching from? Comment with your city or country below. I love seeing how our Sexuality Sabia community is growing all around the world. Now, the third fruit, bananas. Yes, that fruit we all learned to eat as children, soft, convenient, and always marketed as healthy. And yes, bananas do contain potassium and other nutrients. But for men over 60, especially those struggling with fatigue, weight gain, or intimacy issues, ripe, sweet bananas may do more harm than good. They're loaded with simple sugars that hit your bloodstream fast, causing sharp insulin spikes. And when insulin goes up, testosterone tends to go down. Over time, these repeated sugar hits can lead to insulin resistance, belly fat, and a sluggish metabolism, all of which directly sabotage your ability to maintain firm erections. Bananas also affect serotonin levels. While serotonin is important for mood balance, too much at the wrong time can leave you emotionally flat, drained, and less responsive sexually. And finally, the fourth fruit you should be cautious about: grapes. They look like a symbol of health, small, juicy, antioxidant-rich. But grapes are among the most pesticide-sprayed fruits in commercial farming. Unless they're certified organic, they often carry a cocktail of chemicals, many of which act as xenoestrogens, synthetic compounds that mimic estrogen in the male body. Over time, this creates hormonal competition, lowering your natural testosterone's effectiveness. The result? Reduced libido, belly fat, prostate inflammation, and yes, softer erections. I've seen men eating handfuls of grapes daily, convinced they were helping their blood pressure, only to realize they were silently sabotaging their potency. Once we removed them and replaced them with lower estrogen fruits, their energy, sleep, and morning firmness all began to return within weeks. Now let me ask you, what concerns you most right now: lack of energy during the day or loss of firmness during intimacy? Type 1 or 2 in the comments. Your feedback helps me create content that addresses your real needs. So there you have it, the 4 fruits quietly draining your masculinity after 60. But here's the exciting part. In the next section, I'll reveal 4 powerful, underrated fruits I personally recommend to my patients. Fruits that can reactivate your blood flow, boost your testosterone, and bring back your vitality faster than you think. Now that we've uncovered the 4 fruits silently sabotaging men's health and masculinity after 60, it's time to flip the script. Because here's the good news. There are also fruits that act as natural allies. They nourish your blood vessels, protect your testosterone, and restore the vitality you thought was slipping away. The first one, blueberries. They may look tiny, but they pack a powerful punch. Their deep blue color comes from anthocyanins, plant compounds that protect your arteries, lower inflammation, and defend your testosterone-producing cells from oxidative stress. Microhook. Studies show that just half a cup of fresh blueberries a day can improve nitric oxide availability, meaning stronger erections, sharper focus, and more balanced mood. Start your mornings with them in yogurt, a smoothie, or even on their own. You'll feel the difference within weeks. The second fruit, kiwi. Not the flashiest fruit on the shelf, but one of the most underrated treasures for male hormonal health. Kiwi contains more vitamin C than an orange. And vitamin C is critical for protecting Leydig cells in the testes, the very cells that produce testosterone. Plus, kiwi contains actinidin, a natural enzyme that boosts digestion and helps you absorb minerals like zinc and magnesium, 2 of the most essential nutrients for erectile strength and energy. Microhook. A kiwi after meals doesn't just refresh you, it enhances nutrient absorption from your entire plate. Third, watermelon. Most people think of it as just a summer snack, but it's actually a natural performance booster. Watermelon is rich in L-citrulline, which your body converts into L-arginine, a direct precursor of nitric oxide. And remember, without nitric oxide, blood can't flow properly where you need it most. Unlike synthetic pills, which force the process and strain your heart, watermelon works gently and naturally with your system. Microhook. Include a few slices of watermelon in the afternoon and notice how your sleep, recovery, and nighttime vitality begin to improve. And finally, the powerhouse, pomegranate. Sweet, refreshing, and one of the strongest natural allies for blood flow and testosterone. Pomegranate is loaded with punicalagins, potent antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress and rejuvenate your vascular system. Clinical studies show that men who drank pomegranate juice daily saw measurable improvements in erectile function and even higher salivary testosterone levels after just a few weeks. Microhook. Half a pomegranate a day can rival the vascular benefits of certain medications without the side effects. Now imagine this. You gradually remove the harmful fruits, canned, dried, overripe bananas, conventional grapes, and replace them with these 4 allies: blueberries, kiwi, watermelon, and pomegranate. In just 30 days, you begin to feel more energy, more mental clarity, and stronger morning erections. By 90 days, many men experience a level of vitality and confidence they thought they had lost forever. Here's the bottom line. You don't need perfection, you need consistency. Each bite, each choice, each day is a vote for or against your vitality. And your body, even after 60, still remembers how to be strong, confident, and fully alive. You just need to give it the right support. If this video has been valuable to you, hit the like button now so more men can discover this vital information. Share it with a friend, a brother, or someone you care about who could benefit. And don't forget to subscribe to Sexuality Sabia and turn on the bell so you never miss another practical, science-backed strategy designed just for men over 60. Remember, half a cup of blueberries, 1 kiwi a day, a few slices of watermelon, half a pomegranate. Small daily choices that wake up your circulation, restore your testosterone, and protect your masculinity. Aging doesn't mean decline, it's a chance to reset, rebuild, and reclaim your vitality. And I'm here to guide you every step of the way.